founder of Nurture 5. Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn Jalaneti Yogic Cleansing Kriya. So nose acts as a natural filter for dust particles, any kind of a viruses. But still, because of the pollution or viruses going around, it might enter into our lungs. So how do we cleanse our nostrils? This Kriya can reduce your migraine and sinus issues, any kind of a nostril cough, congestion. You just try it. Let's see what are the items we need. I will give a link below in the description where to get it. In Amazon you can get it, or local medical stores, even in US and Europe and other countries nowadays. It has become so famous now. People are doing it. And this is the handkerchief, the plain bowl, and this has got warm water, lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold, and add a salt in it, the sea salt. So I have already added it. So these are the items we need. So let's start. How do we start? Just fill in the one, wash both your nostrils. Step 2, fill the pot with lukewarm water and sea salt. Step 3, tilt your head to one side, slightly raise your chin. Step 4, insert nozzle into nostril, breathe through your mouth. Step 5, tilt your neti part, water goes directly into nostril. Step 6, do not panic, think of its benefits. Observe water going through one nostril and coming back into another one. Step 7. Once the water is completed, remove the nozzle from the nostril. Step 8. Clear your nose. 9. Tilt the other side and repeat the process. Nowadays, most of us are all having these issues. Either it could be sinus or migraine or dust allergies, anything you can think of. So let's look at the benefits of this Jalaneti Kriya. It can remove mucus and sinuses, can remove pollutants from nasal passages. After doing this Kriya, it allows airflow easily without any obstruction. It helps to relieve allergies, colds and sinusitis. If you do it regularly, it might even prevent asthma and pneumonia. It helps in alleviating anxiety, anger and depression. So, why to wait? We have seen all the benefits, so please do it regularly. I can tell you only one thing, that when you are starting, your water from one nostril to another nostril might not flow the way it was for me. Move 3 sides, left, right, and then down. That's about the Kriya. I will explain my experience about this Kriya. When I did my teacher training course, yoga teacher training course, I just felt it as if I was, when you go for swimming, you are scared of the water. At the same time, when you feel little bit breathless. So if you have any kind of a yoga teacher available close by, you can just ask them, or with their supervision you can do it, or do your own research and follow this. But you need to have really balance mentally. Have a mental balance. So when I tilt it, I am breathing it through the mouth so that I was not panic. That's the first step. So I'm just explaining because this is how you feel strange. So here tilting will help and opening mouth will help, and focusing on the nostril it will help so that you are not panic. So disclaimer, don't be panic. And don't be too hot the water is, just the lukewarm water. If you have any yoga teacher, then do it along with them. If you don't have, just try it. So initially you feel like water, it travels from the nostrils again here, you feel it from here and again here. After doing this cleansing kriya early in the morning, not with the full of food, try it with the empty stomach, always these cleansing kriyas. Then you feel you can breathe very easily. Your nostrils, you feel that nothing is there inside because it has all come out, all the dust, any inflammation you have. So you just try it and let me know in the comment section. You see the description where you can get most of the medical stores, you can get it. You read about it. Just have a word with your physician. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like, and click on notification button. See you next time.